So I'm on the floor in my room with really bad lighting. And I hope this focuses. I have like my lamp here and stuff like that. It's really bad. I just got back from Micro Center because it's time for Personal Rig Update Part 1. Now I'm not going to do this Personal Rig Update 2016, so, no, because then I'm going to end up finishing Personal Rig Update 2016 in like 2020. That's not going to happen. This right here is my old rig. You can see I have a video about it linked in the description below. It has some problems. The hard drive is so slow, and it gets really hot because there's not much cooling in the case. There's not much airflow in the case, and the power supply also gets really hot. So let's run down the new parts. Here I have a Corsair Spec 02 Corsair Spec 02 case. This should provide plenty enough cooling, and it looks much nicer, and it has cable management space. To go along with that, I have this new power supply. I hope you guys can see that, and it focuses. A Corsair CX650M. This was a really good deal on at Micro Center. It was half off, so that's really nice. 650 watts is plenty more than enough. It's like way more than enough. I could have easily gotten a 400 watt and been totally fine. I currently have a 450 watt in here. The reason I went with the 650 is price. It was much cheaper. It still looks very nice. 80 plus bronze. So yeah, that's not bad. SSD, which is kind of the main reason that I'm upgrading now. Please focus. It's an OCZ Trion 150. I think these are like brand new. It's a 480 gig, about 500 gigabytes ish. 550 read, 530 write. Not bad at all. Much better than like 2020 on my current hard drive. And then I got this cheapo USB extension card because, well, I have an SD card reader in here that has USB 3.0 ports, and I have an adapter 3.0 to 2.0 internal headers for the motherboard because the motherboard does not have any 3.0 headers. But now I have these, and the case also has USB 3.0, so I have this. It has extra headers on it. I'm probably not going to use the actual USBs, but I need the extra headers, so I have. This one's going to be adapted, this one is going to be directly to that. But anyways, yeah, point is, much better airflow and much faster SSD. Let's get started, shall we? Okay, so there she is. All made, and we'll have to see about cable management. I might want to redo that sometime, but right now I just want to get it all booted and working, so I'm going to set it back up, turn it on, and see if I can get to the boot menu. I was not kidding when I said that my hard drive was super slow. I mean, look at these times. These are terrible. It's been an hour and a half, and I still have an hour left. This number has actually been constantly going up. Well, it's now started to go down, but it went up and up and up, and then it went down a little bit, and then it went back up. It was stuck here for a while, and then it was stuck here. Now it's stuck here. It's just, yeah, it's almost midnight. And I supposedly still have an hour left. I was hoping to get the SSD working tonight, but I'll just have to do it tomorrow. As soon as it is done cloning the hard drive, it will automatically shut down, and then tomorrow morning, first priority, boot with the SSD and make sure it works. Then I remove the hard drive, blah blah blah. You'll see in like a few seconds. So it actually finished tonight. So I'm gonna see if it worked. Turn it on. Smash F8 key. Okay, beep. Come on, give me the boot menu. Boot menu, boot menu, boot menu. Hey, okay. Oh sweet, did it automatically switch the... Oh, well maybe that's just doing it. Okay. Selecting the SSD. You guys will see what it looks like. First hand, let's see. Crap. That's fun. Okay, I got it to work. So I had previously used... Where's my mouse? Ah, here. Is this one. EaseUS To Do Backup. That is the one that didn't work. So I next tried this one, but it was giving me errors saying that it couldn't install or whatever. I don't know, some weird error. This one just also gave weird errors. So I tried creating a bootable USB, a bootable disk for just to reinstall a clean copy of Windows 10. Nothing. So I retry with this one because I think I figured out the problem. It was something about space. So my hard drive, the hard drive, has two partitions. One of them is about 500 megabytes, and I have no idea what it does, and I really hope it's not important. I pretty much unchecked that because the error was it didn't have enough space. I'm like, weird, it's only like 250 gigabytes. Unchecked that, tried, no problem. I went to bed with that running. I mean, what's the worst that'll happen? It shuts down? Honestly, whatever. And well, it worked. So we see here in Windows partition, we only detect one disk. I mean, there's the external hard drive that I have, but that's obvious. But there's only one actual hard drive connected, and it is about almost 500 gigabytes, and it says it has the system, boot, page file, active, Crasham, a boot test. So I forgot to show you guys because I'm unorganized and for this video, yay. The time to beat is 2 minutes and 13 seconds. That is to get to the logon screen, and another 3 minutes and 14 seconds to actually log on. Okay, we got the BIOS, Windows, .31 seconds. Also, yes, 31 seconds. Ignore the mark on my phone. I'm getting the new phone soon. But that's not important. 30 seconds to get to here instead of 2 minutes. And the really annoying thing is that it would take 3 minutes to log on, but that is not even usable. I have to wait for everything to initialize, like that's everything working in the start menu works. But then it takes forever for programs to load and stuff, and I would essentially have to be like kind of wait about an hour for everything to become fully responsive, and then it would sometimes not be very fast to load things. So, let's do the logon test. Okay, reset, and start. Whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa! Let's try loading Steam. Whew. Now I'm going to shut down, I'm going to redo my cable management and stuff, remove the hard drive completely, so that'll help me with cable management. And then I'm going to move my computer from its current spot there under the desk. See, that's the disk that failed. To right there replacing the monitor. Because now that I've moved to DaVinci Resolve as my editor, I don't actually use the second monitor. Because if I use the second monitor the way I used to, then when I do the color correction, it wants to use that monitor for the color, and that's not a very good monitor for color and whatever. Cable management and moving the computer. But yes, pretty much I have successfully transferred everything. Ooh, look at it. It's nice. And here's the view from where I sit. Got that one nice LED kind of showing on all of it. It's not the best cable management, especially down there at the bottom. And on the side, but the side, it's all black, you can't see that. There are two LED fans in the front of this case that are not powered because I only have one fan header. So I'm going to get a fan splitter that'll plug into SATA and that, and then I have all my fans going to there. That might light that up. I'm not sure how that's going to look out. The bottom's not the nicest either, but there's no lights there. Pretty much it's not quite the nicest, but it's definitely much better than the cable management I had before, and it's definitely nice to look at, at least. So, yeah, I'll update that once I get a new motherboard, CPU, and stuff in January or so. But for now, it boots up really fast. It looks much nicer. It has a much better case power supply. 80 plus bronze power supply. So, for now, I'm good. That's it for this video. If you liked it, leave a like and leave a comment telling me what you think about the parts I chose. And just other discussion. I don't know. Just leave a comment. And don't forget to subscribe to see more cool videos. And, yeah. That's it for Personal Rig Update Part 1. Part 2 is coming out in January. So stay subscribed until January for that. See ya.